Okay, y'all. We are going to do some cleaning. Y'all know I keep cleaning now, so we are going to mop our floor. We're going to be using none other than that good old Fabuloso and Pine Sol together, okay? Yeah, the birds is up, y'all. So I'm going to try to keep them out as much as possible. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we're going to start with that good old Pine Sol. A little good smelling. Y'all know it. So how is everyone? I love nothing but, y'all know, like a good smelling house. And then we're going to be changing our linen. We'll change our linen. The side to side, some spots you have to clean, do a little scrubby scrub. And it is nice today. So hope everyone is having a wonderful Thursday. Time is flying. I was gonna wait until nighttime, but I said no, we're gonna get this done now. And I was gonna walk and I'm gonna, you got to get all behind that door and everything. Scrubby scrub. So what's your favorite house cleanser? I have two. No, I got more than that because I love some bleach. I love bleach and I love the Fabuloso and my good Pine Sol. So I get all under here. And it's healthy. It's healthy. Also love the TV like nice, clean. Not just our bodies, but the whole house has to be clean. I love clean. Hope everyone is doing well. Y'all, that's that bird hollering. Every time they see me in the kitchen, hi, I'm like, you damn right, that's all right. I ain't no bird. I don't eat bird seeds. It's something else. And so we cleaning our lounge room today. That's what we're doing. I already took Coco on her walk. So she's getting her morning nap. So yeah, we're going to wear our hair out today. And later, we're going to do the hair maintenance video. We are. Okay, y'all, I'm cooking me some good old black eyed peas and rice. This is my first time actually cooking them. And it looks good so far. Nice and creamy. This is something for me and Coco. And she likes her vegetables. Y'all, I like to start my dinner early so I could cook it nice and slow and be nice and tender. So I'm gonna be doing some meal prepping with these here cause it's me and Coco. I'm gonna split this into at least 2 more meals. Yeah, me and Coco eating good in the neighborhood. We stay eating good, y'all. What? We just came from our morning walk. Came back and did some good cleaning. What y'all think? That looks good. We're gonna let it cook a little more because I don't like to cook my food fast, and I like to keep it like, and then it can't go like a little near medium. And yes, I took out a steak for my baby Coco. If y'all haven't been to Aldi's, y'all missing out. Y'all better go and get that nice meat. Okay, since we're doing some cleaning, I'm going to show y'all my favorite cleaning essential. Yeah, that's that good old Fabuloso. Now, I got this stress from Amazon, y'all. Amazon, and y'all, when I'm washing my clothes, ooh, I love that Tide. I love that Tide, okay? Yes, and my good old Clorox. Now this is multi-cleaning. I really love this because you could clean your whole entire house with this. Yeah. Lots of time I get this. You get it from, of course, Amazon. You get it from Target, all the groceries.